各位朋友，大家好，我係 Julius，歡迎嚟到408 Home and Loan。嗱，每個月嘅20號咧，咁我哋咧就會攞 local MOS 嘅資料，同大家分享下我哋灣區20個城市嗰個房地產嘅市場。咁如果你係一路有跟住我哋嘅話，你要好清楚每一個城市嘅市場嘅走勢，即係有幾快賣得出去，overbid 係幾多啊？大概呢個價錢係幾多？咁呢一期咧，我哋喺講我哋 local 嘅資料之前咧，咁我哋亦都睇下呢個加州成個州嘅情況嘅。嗱，呢個咧就係5月份 close 咗嘅加州嘅資料。咁佢依家講嘅咧就係existing home 咧，就我哋咧就賣咗咧就25萬。咁係比上舊年同期咧係跌咗4%嘅，咁嘅價錢咧就係90萬咁上下，亦都係比舊年同期咧就跌咗0.9%嘅。咁 inventory 咧就係3.8個月，咁係比舊年同期咧係多咗46%嘅，所以你睇得出 inventory 係多咗嘅。咁 media day on the market 咧就21日，即係要 take 21日先至 pending，係比舊年同期咧係多咗31%嘅。咁price per square feet 咧，即係每一尺咧就係大概443蚊，係比舊年同期咧亦都係跌咗0.7%嘅。咁賣出去價錢咧同埋 sales 嘅價錢咧就係100%，即係冇 overbid 啦。咁affordable index 咧即係17%，咁越低即係越少人 qualify 買得起啦。咁仲有咧30年固定嘅利率咧就係6.82。咁係比舊年同期咧係跌咗0.24嘅。嗱，呢個就係加州一個 big picture。咁跟住咧，我哋嚟睇下我哋灣區26個城市嗰個房地產嘅走勢。嗱，呢啲資料咧就全部係 up to date，咁咧就係從 MOS 嚟嘅。嗱，你第一個睇到嘅咧就係聖荷西。聖荷西咧就 single family home 咧就有672間屋喺個市場嗰度，咁306間咧係 pending，咁佢嗰個 pending 除咗佢嗰個 active 咧，咁就睇得出即係有幾快嘅屋咧可以有人接受，咁就睇得出個市場嘅需求啦。咁依家係45%嘅屋咧係賣得到出去嘅，咁係比上個月咧係差咗㗎。咁賣出去嘅屋咧就係開價咧就169.9萬，咁咧就賣出去咧就180，咁咧仲係 overbid 咧都有5.94%嘅，呢個就係 single family home 嘅。condo 咧就有510間屋喺個市場度，咁咧就 pending 嘅話咧就有136間係 pending，咁percentage 咧係26%嘅，即係好少嘅。咁賣出去咧就有151間屋賣咗。平均開價咧就係89.9萬，賣出去咧就910萬，咁咧就 overbid 咧大概係1.22%嘅，咁1-2%我哋都當佢即係差唔多係打個和噶啦。Sunnyvale 咧，咁咧就 single family home 咧又差咗啦，比上個月有87%嘅屋咧係賣得到出去，咁呢一次咧就得78%嘅啫。但係咧 condo 咧就比上個月好咧，上個月37%，依家咧有69%係好過上個月嘅。Mountain View 咧 single family home 咧亦都係差唔多，同上個月都係大概81%嘅屋可以賣到出去。condo 咧就47%係比上個月好嘅。Santa Clara 咧又比上個月都係差噶啦，condo townhouse 都差噶啦。single family home 咧大概42%係 pending。啊、condo townhouse 唔係 single family home 咧得25%嘅啫。Cupertino 咧就出幾多就賣幾多，咁所以咧係100%嘅。啊、condo 咧就係差啲啦，得18%嘅啫。Saratoga 咧就亦都係比上個月差嘅。single family home 咧就得37%係 pending，唔係 single family home 又31%。跟住咧 Palo Alto 得26% single family home 賣得到。嗰個 condo townhouse 嗰啲咧就得21%。Scarborough 咧亦都係差嘅23% single family home。其他咧就係得1/4嘅啫。Milpitas 亦都係比上個月差咗37%係 pending。咁condo townhouse 咧就32%。 啲咧上個月咧都有65%嘅 single family home 可以 pending，呢個月咧就得37%，condo townhouse 得28%嘅。機會咧就係 keep 住40% 上下 for single family home，唔係 single family home 咧就38%多啲。San Lorenzo 咧就好啲，比上個月多咗2%嘅 single family home，即係嗰個 pending 係多咗少少嘅。啊。嗰個 condo townhouse 咧就有4個喺度，但係未冇一個賣得出去嘅。San Angelo 咧就46% 係 pending，咁townhouse 得10% 嘅啫。啊 Castro Valley 咧 condo 咧就好咗60%，single family home 咧就差咗。Livermore 咧 condo 同埋 townhouse 都有進步，比上個月係52%，超過一半以上嘅 single family home 係 pending。condo townhouse 得35%嘅啫。屋倫都係喎，兩個都係有進步，single family home 同埋唔係 single family home 咧，都有進步嘅。Berkeley 咧亦都係一樣，single family home 咧同埋 condo 都係有improvement。Pleasanton 咧就 single family home 咧就41%係 pending，compare 到上個月咧就係多咗4%嘅。condo townhouse 就差咗得19%。Dublin 咧就係 condo townhouse 咧即係 activity 即係都比較上個月好嘅，都係 active 咗好多嘅。石朗蒙咧就差啲啊，single family home，但係咧 condo 咧就比上個月咧差唔多係多咗10%嘅。condo 咧就差唔多single family home 咧就差咗9%，condo 差唔多。Cemetel 咧就 single family home 咧就有74%咧就係 pending，condo 咧就得17%。River City 咧兩個 single family home 同埋唔係 single family home 咧都係有 improvement 嘅。Foster City 咧就差咗好多啦，85%上個月，依家得54%係 pending。三藩市咧就improve 咗少少，33% for single family home，咁唔係 single family home 咧就得21%所以咧都係就算係好都係唔係好大嘅變化，所以總嘅嚟講都仲係好平穩咁樣都係好 slow down。咁咧就係呢一期咧就係講依家26個城市嗰個市場走勢，咁你睇下你自己嘅城市係有 improve 咗咧，定係冇咧？咁歡迎你comment咁我哋就下次見，thank you，拜拜。